KTM has unveiled the new RC450, introducing a fresh contender in the mid-capacity sport bike segment. The bike is powered by a 449cc parallel twin engine, which is widely believed to be derived from the unit used in the CF Moto 450 SR. However, KTM has tuned the engine to deliver a higher output of 56 horsepower compared to the 52 horsepower produced by its CF Moto counterpart. In terms of hardware, the RC appears to share several components with the CF Moto, including the chassis and distinctive single-sided aluminum swing arm. Despite these similarities, KTM has worked to differentiate the bike with its own performance characteristics and riding dynamics. The RC450 also holds a slight advantage in weight, tipping the scales at 168 kilograms, making it lighter than the CF Moto's 171 kilograms. This results in an improved power-to-weight ratio, contributing to stronger performance. KTM claims a top speed of 195 kilometers per hour for the RC450. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable WP components, including upside-down front forks and a rear monoshock. Braking is managed by new WP braking systems, featuring a 320mm front disc and dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. On the technology front, the RC450 is equipped with a Bosch lean-angle adaptive control system, along with rider aids such as traction control, cruise control, and an electronic throttle with selectable ride modes. The bike also features a TFT display with connectivity options, while optional extras include heated grips and a tire pressure monitoring system. Overall, while the RC450 shares its foundation with CF Moto's 450 platform, KTM has refined the package to deliver a more performance-focused and feature-rich riding experience.